A major shift in the perception of hormone replacement therapy, HRT, for menopausal women is underway, as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has decided to remove the controversial black box warnings from many HRT medications. This move has sparked a lively debate among medical professionals and patients alike. The decision primarily affects medications containing estrogen or progestogen, either alone or in combination, which are commonly prescribed to alleviate troublesome menopause symptoms such as hot flashes, mood swings, and sleep difficulties, as well as to reduce the risk of bone fractures. FDA Commissioner Dr. MargEva Cole and other agency officials have stated that these warnings, which have been prominently displayed on medication packaging, were based on outdated scientific data. This, they argue, has unnecessarily discouraged many women from seeking treatment that could significantly improve their quality of life. The black box warnings were mandated following a 2002 clinical trial that suggested an increased risk of breast cancer, heart attack, and stroke in women using HRT, as reported by NBC News. However, critics of this decision point out that the trial primarily focused on women in their 60s and 70s, and used a specific hormone formulation that is not commonly prescribed today. Women typically begin HRT in their 40s or 50s when menopause symptoms are most pronounced. Dr. MargEva Cole, an obstetrician-gynecologist at Duke University in Durham, North Carolina, highlighted the psychological impact of these warnings. She explained, "Our big concern about the black box warning is that it discourages women from starting treatment. Many women are excited about their HRT prescription, but become scared after reading the black box and never initiate the treatment." Recent studies using current hormone formulations have not replicated the findings of the 2002 trial, suggesting that the risks associated with HRT may have been overstated. The FDA is now recommending that women considering systemic HRT, pills or patches, start treatment before age 60 or within 10 years of the onset of menopause. Starting HRT early may offer additional benefits, such as a reduced risk of cognitive decline and cardiovascular disease. However, the agency emphasizes that the decision to use HRT is a personal one, made in consultation with a healthcare provider, and is not a one-size-fits-all solution. Dr. Samantha Dunham, director of the Center for Midlife Health and Menopause at NYU Langone Health in New York City, points out that there are alternative treatments available, such as cognitive therapy or non-hormonal medications. While the broad black box warnings have been removed, detailed information about specific risks will still be included in package inserts, ensuring that patients and healthcare providers have access to comprehensive information. For more information on menopausal hormone therapy, the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists offers valuable resources and guidelines. This development in HRT guidelines highlights the importance of staying informed about the latest medical research and consulting with healthcare professionals to make personalized treatment decisions.